Hey there, eco-conscious viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech and green living. Today, we've got some exciting insights into the world of solar panels and renewable energy. Let's dive right in. As the threat of climate change becomes more real, solar panels have become a popular choice for energy-conscious individuals. With increasing energy prices and the possibility of grid outages, solar panels offer savings, peace of mind, and green credibility. But with so many options available, choosing the right solar equipment, manufacturer, and installer can be overwhelming. One company that has been a key player in the solar industry is Momentum Solar. Founded in 2009, this New Jersey-based company takes an all-in-one approach to solar installations using certified employee installers and domestically manufactured components. Unlike many others, Momentum Solar has been dedicated solely to solar installations right from the beginning. Momentum Solar scores well in our reviews, particularly for its high-quality panels, inverters, workmanship warranty, and customer care. The company handles all facets of a solar project, from designing the ideal system for your needs to securing permits and completing the field installation. Momentum Solar offers impressive warranties, including 25 years for panels and microinverters, and 10 years for batteries. They even have a unique 5-year aesthetic warranty, which means you can swap out panels if they fade or discolor while still functioning. One standout feature is that all their labor is performed by in-house W-2 employees who go through extensive training. Momentum Solar provides a mobile app for tracking your solar system's progress, energy production, and customer support. As for pricing, they offer custom systems designed for maximum savings. The cost can vary based on your specific requirements and location, so getting multiple quotes from local operators is essential. As you consider going solar, keep in mind that Momentum Solar is an experienced and accredited company with an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Although they operate in limited states, they are expanding. Remember, when exploring power purchase agreements, they may need to involve a third party. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more green tech insights. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss our latest videos. As always, we're here to keep you informed about the best in tech and sustainable living. Until next time, stay green and tech savvy. Goodbye.